Welcome aboard, everyone.
Test one, test one.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Othrew.
Are you ready? It is the afternoon session. We are up 20K. Oh my, what a day. Another 20K day to put under. Let's see, I got to get my foot pedal thing going here. Here we go. All right, so at the stand-up desk now in stand-up configuration, going to try to burn some calories here this afternoon with you guys. And here we go. Final hour and a half of trading. 220 reversal coming up here. It looks like the market has gone into... well, let's bring this over and we'll talk about it. So look how tight the range has gotten here. Let's pull in some of your wonderful smiling faces. Pull in the chat. There we go. 20K is the new 4K. It has been lately. Our system has just gotten too good. It really is too good. I mean, I can literally sit here and pull money out of the market basically all day with this system. I'm feeling pretty darn good with it. All right, I'm going to show you guys a bunch of charts. So I'm going to zoom back out. Don't freak out. Those of you guys who are new with us, I'm going to show you guys the multi-time frame layouts here. Again, if you are opening up our system for the first time, you're going to get 5 charts. I've got mine laid out in a little bit of a different configuration only because of the live stream. Otherwise, I'd be spreading these out, having a little more room. But I want to keep an eye on our public chat and our Discord channel chat, our live stream here. So I'm limiting myself down to 5, but ultimately, I really just need my entry chart and some higher time frame information. This is getting a little bit full here. Let me see if I need any more of these lines. We still have those up to R1. I really don't need those anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and Control R and remove those. And let's zoom out a little bit here on that. Although this really kind of shows the business. Remember, we had that turtle and then the turtleneck all the way up. Target 1, target 2 hit. Did not go all the way to target 3, but remember, end of day here, this could be where we get that run. We got plenty of time to do it. Or remember, the 89, this is the highest time frame sitting right here, and we are just sitting right here inside of the golden ropes of safety, if you will. And that is the 50 and the 200. And you know, we got our work cut out here for us. Ooh, look what we just got right here. Double delta. So we want to take the next play, whatever it is. Double delta ready up. In the next release, you're actually going to get a vertical like this that will show up right there, and some text underneath it that will say DD ready up right there. That's going to be a really cool feature. Let me see if I can use my zoom in there for you. So these when these show up now, it doesn't have to necessarily come with crosses. This is just coincidental here. This does not happen all the time. However, double delta showing up like this is the business right here. If one of these shows up, I want to take the next play. So I say ready up, get ready to take the next play. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my full auto here and make sure I'm on 4s. There we go. Cool. So the next Enigma that shows up, I'll go ahead and let it auto enter me. There are other play positions I could take. We're right up underneath here on the open. So we are basically flat on the day. Now, mind you, the markets lately want to close the day in positive to keep all of the they want to keep all of us peasants thinking that everything is okay. So they run it up, sell it off, and then they leave it right just above the open, just enough to say we closed positive on the day, while they sell off intraday and then push it right back up and above, as we have been saying for a while. So be careful of that. We assume that at the end of the day, they want to lay it right over this big dashed orange line here. That is the open line. Above it means that we close the market in positive territory. Below it, we say red. Now, if they're going to do it red, it's going to be, we closed just a little red today. Nothing to worry about. Meanwhile, they're preparing for war with Russia, instigating them to drop bombs, which, oh, geez, don't even get me started. Smash that like button real quick here before I have to call your mothers. You do not want me calling your mom, I promise you. I promise you. She's either going to love me or hate me. You know what I'm saying? You don't want either one of those, I promise. Okay, so also, this is the primary optimized range, and look, sitting completely flat right now. So could be boring for a little bit here, unless she decides to wake up here. Here's the bottom of the hour, 2:30 right now. Let's see if we get a play. The play right after the ready up was a cipher, and let's see if she gave her 10 ticks. Yeah, she gave a full 22 ticks there after the ready up off of the cipher short at the open. Okay, we got a supply. That's the first supply we've seen in a while. The last supply was back here. Let's go ahead and draw this zone. There we go. There's the zone. I'm going to make it a little bit brighter here by running it over twice.
Futures settle at $2.53 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline July futures settle at $2.54 a gallon.
Actually, I see some old lines above. I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. I'm going to remove all, and we're going to redraw these again. Here to across.
August futures settle at $80.90 a barrel. That's up 7 cents or 0.09%.
All right, Yael, I'm not going to call Mama then. You smash that like button? Excellent. Well, we only got 44 likes. We got to get to 50 likes, or we have to cut the stream short at 15 minutes. Make sure you guys get 50 likes. First 15 minutes are always on the house, but after that, no 50 likes, no 50 minutes from me. Your mom works at NinjaTrader? Wait, pause, timeout. All right. Are you for real? Are you joking? Does your mom really work at Ninja? Tell the truth, please. This is your moment. Because if so, I'm going to need to call in some favors. Oh, sorry, that was one of the NinjaTrader devs calling me again. No, the bug is definitely on your side. I've shown it to you 15 effing times. We've put it on your forum. The voting the voting system, yeah, your voting system sucks. It's stupid. Yes, when you have a senior level dev telling you what your fucking problem is, you go and you fix the problem. I've pointed it out to you. You went from 8117 to 82. You effed it up. It's every plot, any non-time-based bar. You're totally calling the full refresh on all plots. Every time you have to readjust the x-axis, it's a bug. Fix it. You'll talk to your project manager about it? Fantastic. How about, is it Ari's mom? All right, Ari's mom, he was just joking. All right. Partishka, you're number 45. Fantastic. We need 5 more to get to 50. Oh, we got 50 likes. Beautiful. Let's press play then. Back to business. Back to business. His mom doesn't really work at Ninja. Otherwise, I was actually going to give her a call. I mean, we'll do it live here on live stream. I got no shame. Speaking of shame, so Top Step's like, yeah, no, we'll accept your challenge. We'll do the challenge. And then all of a sudden we're trying to reach out to them and they're like, crickets, what's up? So you don't really want to do a trading competition? Okay. Just trying to get some publicity around your Dakota turd? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Well, stop calling him number 1 or I'm going to have to go out there and really have some fun. I will absolutely destroy you. Stop lying, saying he's the best, when it is obvious that this live stream has the only best that there is. Get over it. Yeah, we're definitely stuck in this little range here. You know, you would need something pumpy. Do we have any other news coming out today? So plays inside of zones like this, we're looking for double crosses at the top of a zone, double crosses at the bottom of the zone. Oh, my OLED is now telling me it wants to do a pixel refresh. No. 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 Cancel. Oh my word. I hate OLED. Anyone else hate OLED? Literally, my main monitor just turned off because it wants to do a pixel refresh as I'm sitting here pressing the button to say no, and it's like, you work for NinjaTrader. I guess this is a sign I should go take a break. I'm gonna grab a beverage. I'll be right back. Okay, just in case it's my remote, I'm gonna change the batteries in the remote. I think you're staring at a black screen from my main OLED. Redonkulous. On a light, so whenever it's done. Oh, I could trade from my OBS. I can see the screen on my OBS. I do have hotkeys, so let's go. What do we got? Full autos turned on. Yeah, we'll just let it do its thing. Can't see where the MacV Ultimate. Oh, I know what we could do. Oh, now I can see all time frames. How about that? Okay, we are flat in the MacV, so really I should reach over and turn off full auto, but dude, I'm up 20k on the day, so like, what's it gonna do? I like to call it, I've earned the risk. I can't read what you guys are saying. What's this one say? Yeah, the OLED thing. It's like I'm gonna turn off now. I'm either gonna burn in on your monitor or mic volume is low again. Dadgummit. Test 1, test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2. How about now? Is that better? Test 1, test 2. It's like they passing a combine and going XFA when live trading. What's XFA? I don't know what that means. What does XFA mean? Help me out with this lingo. Sure, bro. If you're poor, I'll hook you up. Send me a direct message on Discord. Seem like a nice person.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Oh, so I want to press the buy button right now, but I can't because... Oh, my monitor came back up. Yay, hooray.
Target filled.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Target filled. Target filled.
Speed of NQ51.
Yeah, whatever. 21k
51.
on the day. Let's go. Oh, my monitor came back on. How exciting is that?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
L2. I should check that. I did restart NinjaTrader after all that update stuff. And they took away my custom skin. I had to go and put my custom skin back on. Pretty frustrated about that. Enigma bot panel. Yeah, L2.
CDM NQ on the 2.
Okay, we gotta assume that is a sell back down in.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Yawn.
Brent crude futures settle at $85.25 a barrel. That's up 24 cents or 0.28%.
Touch my gold line. Do it. Thank you.
Target filled.
Well, 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 how rude. Yeah, I see you got less and less there, bruh. That dirty double cross.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Bar high touch. Again.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Four leg dog trap looking. Chicken head. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. So this could start to yank back up here. Pulling off positions now. Thank you. Still chewed up some of my P&L. I'm pretty pissed off about that. Market's gonna get a reckoning.
Target filled.
Someone ban Igor.
Tar
Have a nice life elsewhere. Please deliver my pizzas hot and on time. All right, cross to cross. Let's get a measure F8. Cross to double cross. Beautimus.
Two finger NQ on the 37.
target.
All right, we got a diamond target down below on the 4s. So giant middle finger play. Looking for the continuation down to the bottom of this. Look up on the 4s to see it the easiest. Middle finger. All the way completion to VL 1, 2, and 3. That 89 bar did not complete.
Target filled.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Yeah, I see that. Give me a cross.
Target filled.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Watching for an 89 bar completion. My mouse is getting stuck. All right, close it there. We've got it on the 2s with a big white cross. So that 89 bar almost finished. Almost finished.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Going back to the cave, let's see. Do you see the cave? Okay, sorry, I just saw a Enigma came in on the 4s up top. It's a disadvantage you guys have when you can't see all of them. Hopefully on your chart you saw it. You guys see the Enigma on the 4s? I will try to get another pedal so I can flip between these easier, but there it is. So snagged that one down. Boom. Targets filled on the Enigma 4s. Nice little easy one there. And we finished out that 89 bar now. There she is. So she finished.
37.
So now we look again and see what we got going on here. If you want to see the completion of that big middle finger, like I said, that sucker is going to go all the way down to the bottom. That was right here. Big middle finger. Why don't we call it the middle finger play? You want me to draw it for you? May as well, because we got a little bit of time to kill anyways, right? So if I were to take my fist like this, let's see, can I do a backwards one? And then I don't know if I can do a thumb. Can I do this thumb thing? There you go.
Speed of NQ 74. Speed of NQ 70.
There we go. There's your middle finger. Middle finger play. All right, 16.3 for the 2000 contract drop. And a pop up here. I have to expect that as we touch the top of that we can short that again.
Target filled.
Thank you.
Target filled.
That was pretty easy. Top of the bands. I got you guys on the wrong screen because it's moving too fast. So we got that 16.3. Boom, popped up. As soon as it touched the top of my channel, I shorted it and tagged in a 10 and a 15 tick target, putting me back up over 20K on the session. Getting some speed now. Should see some really nice, juicy. I'm going to put this on a 4 and go 3. 4 small and go 3 quantity. There we go.
NQ 100.
It will just play them back multiple times. You'll start to hear the sound of my voice in your head. Happened with me and my mentors. Give shout outs to Joseph James from School of Trade. One of the greatest teachers out there. Now, he's not algorithmic, and we've gone way beyond that. I've had some students make the mistake of, oh, I heard Vinny learned from Joseph James. So now they're over there like wasting their times on his stuff. I mean, he's a good dude. He's a great teacher, but he's just teaching price action in a more specific way than ICT and not wasting your time.
Speed of NQ 51.
But yeah, I started to hear his voice in my head many times as I was trading and as I'm building out my tools over the years. Now, I mean, we far surpass him. I mean, but that's what you want as a teacher. You want the student to surpass the teacher. Oh, hey, buddy. We got an 8.4. Another 8.4 here today. coming in right here. So our previous measurements, we had, there was the 8.4 before for the measure double up. We had an 8 to the long side, so this 8 could be pushing us all the way back up now. So let's keep that in mind to do not just keep shorting this blindly. That 8.4 could signify the pivot turn. Last time I did that was at 11:11 this morning. And we are in the final hour, 3:05. Okay, we just got Enigma'd in here. Let's see if that one works out for us. It's been a while since we saw an Enigma, other than up on the 4s.
Target filled.
Target 1 acquired. Ooh, turned right in front of target number 2. How rude. Target 1 and Target 2 acquired for $21,615 on the day. Oh man, that is feeling good. Just another day in the neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? I'd be pushing it trying to get 2 in a row, huh?
AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. To miss the game, AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you, and I need you like a heart.
Are we flat?
Something new.
Every stinking time.
Make it like
Every stinking time. Look at that. We're flat and we're going to take a loser. Look at that.
it's true.
Ridiculous. 2-try rule if we start to push, but seriously, all I got to do is filter those out of that flat spot, and we're just, it's going to be awesome.
It's too late. Said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Said it's too late. AlgoBox, it's too late. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Oh man, stop placement, baby. Holy shnikes. That was a close one. Well, we got some targets off.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off.
Wow, can you say stop placement?
AlgoBox makes trades.
Holy schniz nickels.
Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox, and never miss the game. You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry. I keep bluffing. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. You don't matter where I go with you not here is just not home. No, I can't let go without you near. Feel alone.
Lethal, I just have to mention, you literally ask the dumbest questions in our entire group. You have since day one when you've come into our crew. You know that, right? Like, I watch your questions on a daily basis in our Discord channel chat. You literally ask the dumbest questions. And here you are with, oh, is it normal to have a zero? Bro, why don't you spend some time with the system? Why don't you go through the actual training instead of just trying to... You know, I don't understand... I mean, I kind of do. The people who install or, you know, set up their IKEA furniture without reading the instructions. Okay, it's IKEA furniture, sure. You don't need the instructions. You can figure it out. Okay. You think you're going to figure this out on your own? You're not. Watch the videos. Go through the training. Use the tool sets. And a zero on what time frame? You didn't even say what time frame. Zero normal? Bro, ask good questions. As your mentor, my point here is not to go, hey, you're great. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. I'm a mentor. I'm here to pull your head out of your beep. Sorry, my kids are listening. Bro, but seriously. You're going to ask a question, you're looking for specific answers, then give specific details around your question. Your proper question is a zero normal on what time frame? Did you see a problem with this one? That's double zero. So what? If you want to filter off of it, do it, bro. All right, 313. Cross right on the GLR. I got to give it a stab. Stop behind the cross. 1, 2, 3. Look for a four-legged dog trap here. Fourth leg and hopefully get a pop. Ooh, no. She said no. One, two, three, four. I'll give it one more shot. New bar on the 89. Thank you.
Target filled.
Give it to me, juicy. That's what I'm talking about. Four-legged dog trap. Type it in the chat. When everybody's looking short and you see one of those, look out. Inverted check mark. Calls it almost every time. Treat it like a J-hook now.
Target filled.
Cha-ching. Bada bing. J-hook entry, F8. Right here for the sweet spot. Police lines is also right where the top of that channel would be for my runner target. Stop down below if this breaks the J-hook trap zone, then I'll kill her there. Oh, there she goes. Here it comes. Which way is she gonna go? That's the supply. It's coming right now. Listen for it. Here they come. Ooh, missed me by a hair. No, I can't afford that. Now that the channel's tilting. Yikes. Missed it at the top of the channel. Okay. Again, we are currently shorts favorable. I'm gonna close it out. So currently, again, this is staring me in the face over here on the right. We are strong sell side. So, you know, I'm not getting real tricky and ganky with my runners until that's coming up with me. I wanted to get the top of that channel. Channel did dip down a bit for me. Would have worked out. There it goes. Would have gone all the way there. But I had to be a little bit more cautious on that. There's police lines target 1. There's target 2. Gold lines target 3, where we can take a little quick reversal. Also would be the back of a crab here on that formation. Okay, all these little down moves are likely fakes if they're going to pull out this whole up move off of that 8.4. Here comes king timing. Would love to see an enigma somewhere around here. There it is. Target 2. Target 3. Gold line. Finger over the buy. Trickiest part is from the bottom to there. We need to get a measure on that. Let's use F2 for this. Oof. Okay, so it might have just been a T1 scenario here. Okay, new bar on the 37s. I need to turn on my new bar identifier. Apparently I did not put that on this chart. New bar notifier, sorry. New bar notifier wave. Yes, please. On bar close. Yes, don't need that. Don't auto scale. Don't display. No price markers. Not visible. It is just an audio alert. Bing, bang, boom. I'm also going to put one on my 89 range. Indicators. AlgoBox. New bar notifier. And on this one, we want new bar tide. And I'll take off that right there. No auto scale, no display, and no visibility. Here we go. So here's what I'm setting up. Take your screenshot and new bar notifier. Oh boy, wait a minute. I already have one, but it's on the wrong deal. Let's remove that one. We want it to say tide. There we go. All right, I want to save my workspace. And I like to save it twice just in case we crash, because it is NinjaTrader after all. Riri's mom works there though, I heard. I'm not sure where that came from. Promise. Connect the dots. Cross to cross. There we go. White line. Gold target above. 10.6 should be giving us continuation. Currently MacVU though telling us be careful. Scalping in the upward direction for now until all of the correlated markets shift for us. Then we get the best plays for the big long stuff.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Gold line, there she is. All three targets on the J hook. One of those you have to wait a little bit too long for my liking. White line touch with the cross. And it's a new bar like a boss, so I will start to get on my short right here. Need to go to none. Into a butterfly up top. Okay, 10 ticks half.
Fib.NQ.
Half, and fully closed. Should be good. Over 22K on the day, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. That's where it's at. That's how we do this.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is why we measure. Oh, thank you, Epic Futures. Thank you for reminding me that my full auto is on. It's feeling like a good spot to roll it right now. You know what I'm saying?
This baby, I know it's been crazy, you don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk on. You don't matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. I know I can't let go without you near.
Be alone, you know. Oh man, that is sick. Okay, we just got a red dot up top on the 9s. That is the spice. It's real nice. You gotta love it. What's our time? 3:25. Okay, so we got a lot going on here. Let's go ahead and remove all of our drawings and let's reassess. We got some great plays in there. Now, everything that's drawn on the screen here is done by the system as of right now. BTFD in 4 minutes.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Ooh. Double cross, top of a zone. I'm going to expect first I should be able to short this. Assuming the zone is about yay wide. Where's the bottom of the zone? The cross is way down here, so it could go even farther than that. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, we're touching in on targets. Yikes. Yikes, ikes, ikes.
Target filled.
So gold line reversal here, but it's a little bit spicy. Feels like it should accumulate first. I don't think they've got enough orders there to just make a run, but I could be wrong. I have been known to be wrong on occasion.
Target filled.
But it's pretty darn rare, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
The orders say no. I don't think so. All right, there's a 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning to BTFD. How do we know that? Because it's showing up on our chart for us. And those of you who keep saying, oh, I don't know, it seems like there's a lot going on here. I know it's hard to learn. Bro, go jump in your car real quick. Okay? Seriously, listen. If this is you, I'm speaking to you. I don't know who you are. But if you've come here and been like, oh, so much on the screen. Okay, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you how stupid that is to me. Go jump in your car. And I literally want you to, or imagine yourself, because I don't want you to jump away from the stream right now. Okay, but let's play a game. Imagine you just sat in your car. Now, I want you to picture your dashboard in front of you and your steering wheel. Now, mentally, I want you to tell me how many buttons you see. Just the button count. Get that number in your head. Let's start there. Step 1. Count how many buttons are on your dashboard and on your steering wheel of your car right now. Now, I'm not even starting to talk about the multi-screen, you know, flip through screen 1, screen 2, screen whatever if you're, you know, running around in your mom's minivan. Okay? But your Toyota Corolla, those of you pizza drivers, ICT students, aka, how many buttons? Just ballpark. Dork, I love you, bro. How many buttons? A lot. Okay, let's just, I don't know, give a round number. What do y'all think? 30? Is that conservative or is that too high? How about we go with a nice 25? Okay, there's 25 buttons there. Now let's make sure we didn't forget the pedals. Okay, let's not forget the parking brake. Let's not forget the handbrake. Let's not forget the headlights, the water button, the flip switches on if you got one of those side pedal shifter scenarios, not even to mention anybody who's got stick shift, shifting gears, every one of those. I mean, there's 5 right there. Okay. There's a rear view mirror. So now let's talk about the other things you got to worry about. Okay. Rear view mirror, side view mirrors, about the heating buttons, all that, all those things, bro. First time somebody gets in a car, you know what? That's why they have, I bet you forgot, because a bunch of you know, at least you are slightly older than high school. I mean, ICT students, let's be honest, you're probably still in high school. So maybe you just got your driver's permit, okay? But you get your driver's permit by going to a class, okay? You go to a class and you got to learn all that stuff, right? It's weeks long, okay? Probably 40 some odd days. Well, how long does it take to learn my system? 40 days. Yes, you're going to have to sit here for 40 days and learn some stuff. Oh, no. Oh, listen to ICT for 15 hours at a time, though, on a Saturday. Talk about is last time he worked at Starbucks and delivered pizzas. Oh, yeah, that's a great use of my time. I mean, I'm really starting to think about things. You know, he talks so slow and he sounds like nasally Ned, so, you know, I sit there and I gotta be getting something out of it. I mean, it feels so brutal having to listen to it. My brain's gotta be exercising listening to that dumbass. I gotta be getting smarter here.
You too.
But this algo stuff, oh, man, hurts my brain. Oh. Video games. I'm gonna go play some video games. Bro, your video game has more buttons than this. When my kids are playing Fortnite, holy cow, you gotta like build stuff and shoot stuff at the same time and then like know what all these little gadgets do and blah blah blah. The purple one, the blue one, the gray one. What does the gray one do? What does the blue one do? What is the purple? Why is the gold one better than the purple one? Why is the purple one better than the gray one? Purple's stupid. I don't know. Like, what are we doing? Oh, it's too hard. A Porsche Cayenne has 101 buttons. Is that why you get AlgoBox? Maybe. Yeah. You know, and I bet the standard car probably has around that too. Like, there's a lot of things. So I guess my point is this. If you can drive a car, you can probably drive AlgoBox. I'm just saying. Yeah, it'll take a little bit of time. Just like it took you time to learn a car. You didn't just hop in the car on day one. You take it for granted now. You can get in any car. But yeah, you started out driving when you were 15. Your parents, okay? Don't make me call your mom. Y'all better smash that like button, get it over 100 likes. Come on, we're at 86. There's like 20 people here who aren't putting the like button, and I'm gonna call your moms. Let's go. Oh, did my system just automatically make me another $1,000 while I was sitting here ranting at you?
Boom, headshot! Another one. Another one.
That was more like an ear breaker, but that's what you get for not smashing the like button. What are we at? 89 likes? We don't got enough likes. I'm gonna have to hit it again. Don't make me hit it again. I'm gonna do it.
With Firefly. And you fail.
5 minutes remaining.
All right, we got 5 minutes before I'm out. If you guys can't get the likes over 100 likes.
5 minutes remaining.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a bean, no one cares.
Divergence down NQ.
Oh shoot, did it just get me another $700? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all are making this a little bit too easy for me. 96 likes. We need 4 more.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
I will send you to Jesus.
I'm really rich.
I find your lack of faith disturbing. Finish him.
What you say? Oh, that you only miss.
Ich fühle mich wie auch wie Tupac. Lamborghini, Lackfarbe. Little Rocket Man.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
I will send you to Jesus.
Enemy spotted. 5 minutes remaining.
$104 likes. Now we're talking. All right, I won't call your moms, but tell her to call me, all right? She's a sweetheart. Okay, we popped up to the prior high, prior close. Oh boy, is this where we're gonna end? Remember the open line? Remember what I told you guys what the theory is? Well, I just moved the wrong chart. That can't be good. What was the theory? They have to push it above this line. Didn't I say that? That they needed to close. They don't care where ends up going overnight, but they've got to close it at the end of the day above what line? This one right here. This is the big sandy line that keeps everybody going. Markets go up. Markets good.
Touch NQ on the 37.
Markets are positive. I'm paying 3 times as much for a bag of cheese at Walmart. I voted for Joe Biden and took 3 boosters. I wear a mask in my car when I'm driving alone.
Bruh.
$338. Two enigmas in a row on the march up there. Let's see if we can get 25K today. Hey, what's going on, Micro Vinny? How are you, buddy? Oh, my little micro just came in. Hey, buddy, you want to push some buttons? Yeah, you want to push the buttons? What color button do you want to press? Two. What? Which button? What color?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
You want to press the red button? Oh boy. The red button?
Yeah.
Okay, let's push it. That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one. Which one? This one? No, not that one. You want the poop one?
Yeah.
I think it's this one. It's brown. Is it this one?
Again. The sun one. There's the sign one, Daddy. The sign one.
Which one? Touch it. This one?
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
You like that one?
But the one.
The purple one?
Rampage.
Deep in the bottom.
That one?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Which one? The red one? Vitamins? Okay, you wanna go get your vitamins? Okay, go see mommy. I'll see you later. Thank you. See you later. All right, here we go. We're about to touch prior high. How high is she gonna go? Oh boy, oh boy. All right, my mouse is all getting all hung up down here on my stand-up desk. I think we've got it figured out here now. There we go. Better. We're ready. Prior high touch. See how she reacts to prior high. If she's just going to start to run it. What's our time? 3:42. We've got 8 minutes till the 350 algo. And we have not seen R1 yet today. So, I mean, they could just absolutely run it up. And remember T3? We got T1, T2 earlier today, remember? Target 1, target 2. T3 still untouched. So, I mean, T3, you're right up here, baby. I mean, let's light it up. Oh, you got an Enigma short? What time frame? You on the ones? I think you like to play down on the ones sometimes, huh?
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Ooh. Well, you better make it quick, bro. I do not think this is going down. Be very careful here. I think they trapped them in hard down there, and they're going to run this. Just be very careful. You're done. Oh, good, good, bro. Good, bro. Excellent. Yeah, here's the thing. Like, look, 89 bar is not even finished yet. Okay, like that 89 bar, it's got to finish, and these are ignition bars. So, bro, this thing could go hundreds of ticks. This thing could go 300, 400, 500 ticks with just a few extra bars. Yeah, new bar on a 37. Ooh, 12.6 coming in. $350 algo coming in 5 minutes. True. Oh, boo.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
All right, there's the open line. Oh, and there's my buy point. You know how I do. Get naked. First alpha omega after big moves up. Going in. Careful here. That is equal hands. That is an exchange of hands right here. Okay, so that is this leg to this leg right here. Exchange of hands.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Watch for the 4 LDT. One, two, only 3 and 4 to give the convince. There's a 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning before lucky, I'm sorry, not lucky sevens, before the 350 algo.
Upper bands
1, 2, 3, third leg. One minute till the 350 algo. Flat on the open line. Yoicks. This could be, again, it's basically like starting the day over. So they could just run it. What time is it? It's Wednesday. Or they could just settle them into the golden ropes. Golden ropes are literally just like sitting here. Oh, I missed my half touch. I needed to touch half when it hit my open.
Imbalance. S&P 500, 440 million to the buy side. Nasdaq 100, 430
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Okay, taking half in the crosses.
60 million to the buy side. Mag 7 stocks, 220 million to the buy side.
Here's my 25K right above that cross.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
That is a cluster of crosses there, though, so I do have to keep that in mind as well.
DCDMNQ on the 4. Speed of NQ 96.
Double cross just came in on the 4s. Okay, so something's about to go.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Boo. Alright. Thought I'd get my 25K out of that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Looking for a 4-legged dog trap. 1, 2, 3. There's the 4th. Give it one more shot here for the pop-up. There we go. Get up there.
Speed of NQ 64.
Touch and need that crack of that cipher on the 2s. Cipher holding. Now explode. Explode up. Don't drop, bruh. Red dot getting in the way on the 9s. Just saw that. Okay, get that check mark.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Thank you very much. Take off half. $500 away from it. There it is. Take off a little more. Go run me, baby. Go run me.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
$25K hype in the chat. $25K, get it where it's at. What's up? Get you sub.
Talking about get you sub.
Divergence down NQ on the 37.
You got this, baby. I
NQ67.
Cause I'm shiny boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe. I'm sorry I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Cool with you not here, it's just not on. No, I can't let go without you near me.
Yeah!
Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Upper bands touch NQ on the...
All right, we're in it. Just to remind you what I said, 8.4 for the turn, 6.1 midpoint. Now, all the way up here, now we're getting R1. There's a likely pivot.
Speed of NQ 110.
It's almost like we know what we're doing. Still not to R1 yet. 4 more minutes to go.
Fib.NQ on the 37.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs to beat. Something new.
Yeah.
Make it like a game now.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Remember those ignition bars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. This one ain't done yet.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox. It's too late. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox. It's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox. It's too late.
Speed of NQ 117. Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
To miss the game, AlgoBox is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox and never miss the game.
Oh me, oh my. That was a beauty.
83.
And Curtis is a beast. Don't forget, July the 1st, 5 more days until Enigma is gone for good forever, unless you've already got it. Thanks for hanging out. That pricing plan with both the payment plan option as well as the absolute lowest price ever, they're on the website on the pricing page. Just scroll to the bottom. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchspot, Modspot, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sitting down the big H down. See ya! Art team, show them how it's done.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
DCDM NQ on the 2. DCDMNQ on the 2. Upper band CDMNQ on the 89 and U100 CDMNQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 9. Divergence NQ on the 89.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Speed of NQ 113. Speed of NQ 113. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 39. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the DCDMNQ on the 4. DCDMNQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 89. Enigma short.